Keep your drinks warm with this device. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the coffee cookie, a device that was inspired by college students who are tired of their coffee getting cold and going to waste. This is perfect for the Starbucks lovers out there or any that enjoy a hot beverage. It will keep your drinks warm so you can enjoy your drink entirely. The company sent this out for me to review. I have included the link in the description below for the product, along with a special promo code for 40% off. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The coffee cookie comes with an instructions manual and a small cloth carrying pouch. The company also donates 10% of profits to various causes for humanity. The device is very small and light and looks like a cookie, hence the name. It's plastic all around with a metal heating element on the top. On the side, you have a micro USB port for charging. This does not come with the cord, but a standard micro to USB cord will work. On the bottom, you have the coffee cookie branding along with the on and off switch and a status LED for charging. The surface does get hot, so you have to be careful when using this. I will demonstrate shortly. It comes in at just over 2 inches all around and just under 1 inch in thickness. Charging is simple. Make sure the device is off and insert the micro USB cable. Red will indicate that it's charging and blue will indicate it's fully charged. It takes about 1 hour to fully charge and you get about 45 minutes of use. Now let's take a look to see how hot the coffee cookie gets. I'm using a basic kitchen thermometer for this test. As you will see in a moment, it will peak at 282 degrees Fahrenheit, which is very hot to the touch, so you have to be careful when handling. Installing the device to your beverage is easy. Just press down gently and it will slide into place. It will fit your standard Starbucks cup. So let's test it out with some hot drinks. So I'm at a local Starbucks and just purchased 2 drinks. The starting temperatures for the 2 drinks are 141 and 142 degrees Fahrenheit. I will check it in about 2 minutes and then 10 minutes to see if it holds the temperature. I've turned on the coffee cookie and I'm going to install it on one of the drinks. It's just a simple press to secure it into place. After 2 minutes, we have a temperature of 134 without the coffee cookie and 138 with the coffee cookie. Now a final check at 10 minutes for this test. Without the coffee cookie, it has gone down to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. And with the coffee cookie, it has maintained the level at 139 degrees Fahrenheit. It's very impressive. You can clearly see that the device is working and maintaining the temperature. The coffee cookie, a must-have gadget for the coffee drinkers out there. It will ensure that your drinks stay at a constant temperature and it won't go to waste by getting cold. These would also make a good gift if you know someone that drinks a lot of hot beverages. If you are interested in purchasing one, be sure to check the description below for the 40% off special promo code. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.